Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. Even if you think you're a good enough painter that you're not going to get any drips on the floor, think again. Make sure you get yourself a nice plastic drop cloth like these ones by VicMore. These drop cloths definitely saved us from having a disastrous cleanup. We dripped so much paint on the floor with like a waterfall coming down, but none of it got on our carpet because we had this plastic down. These were a really great size. We were able to put them over furniture, over tables, and move them along the floor as we painted our basement. And they held up to all of our walking around and to being taped off. I'm so glad that we decided to go ahead and put this plastic down. I am never going back to cloth drop cloths again. We did have one down in our entire basement and paint leaked through it. So from now on, plastic is the way to go when it comes to painting ceilings, and I'm definitely going to be using more of this VicMore plastic. And that's my point of view.